Estamos en Puerto Limón. Doesn't look that interesting right now. We're facing a parking lot.
Made it.
What do you have to say?
Welcome back to Costa Rica. So we are in Puerto Limón, Costa Rica. We have an excursion. It is not with Royal Caribbean. How you found this?
Say hi, JD. I found it on something called El Google. No, I think I found it some way along the lines of the Costa Rica group chat in Facebook.
There's a couple of things that we're doing. I think it's like a 4-hour-ish tour, right?
Yeah.
So we're doing
chocolate tour, rainforest tour, a canal tour.
all the tours basically. So we communicated with him through WhatsApp. It was $70 per adult and $35 for kids. Is kids under 7?
Yeah.
7 and under. They pay $35. Just half. So we ordered like the continental breakfast this morning to the room to give us time to not have to go either to the windjammer or the dining room, but they messed everything up. The coffee was nasty and I didn't get my bagel. I got the cream cheese and the jam, but I didn't get a bagel, which makes no sense. That's it. It's 10 o'clock local time, so we're just waiting to get there and do what we need to do. So I will see you guys downstairs. Mia, where are we going?
Say Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Close enough. Using Costa Ricas.
Llegamos, mi gente, llegamos. Good thing I look like my pictures.
Oh, yeah.
What if I was a catfish?
You are a catfish.
No, he found me. Mi gente, llegamos.
Over the left-hand side, we have the Catholic Church. It's like the religion that's the main religion in Costa Rica.
You're gonna see a sloth. No freaking way.
They used to pass and see the light, like how many do you use, or if they have to cut it out, whatever. But now we don't use that. Possible that maybe we can see sloth, monkeys,
It's a sloth with the baby. Playa Bonita right now. We have like 10 minutes left, or like 10 minutes to like see the beach, but it's okay beach. I've seen better. The waves are wild. Said it was raining a lot yesterday, but the tour's going pretty good so far. We learned a few things and I think we're gonna be heading back to the ship soon. Oh my gosh, Mia, you got glasses. Yeah, you got glasses. Estamos en Red Snapper. This is the highest point in Limon. Is it really? Yeah, that's what she said. It's the highest neighborhood in Limon. I should say. That's what she said. You see the city and the ships. We're back at the dock and it's time to go up and go eat. I'm hungry. Raven, you hungry?
Yeah.
What you gonna eat? Ice cream. A burger?
Yeah,
I like the way you think. I'm gonna have a burger too. So we probably go up and go to the Windjammer and just, I guess, probably just watch it sail away from our balcony. This looks so different from what it did this morning. It's at the Windjammer. It's good. Raven, how's your burger? How's your burger? Strong. Dylan, you ready? Whoa! You made me come out of my room for this. You better go. Supposed to leave at 5:30, and all these buses just pulled up with all these people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5, 6, 7. There's 7 buses that just pulled up with fucking people. That's why it was so empty. Yeah. You said you had what?
I said I didn't get left.
Yeah, and you napped.
And I'm still gonna take another nap. So here we are.
Wow. And another bus just pulled up. Okay, it's 5:55. It's 5:55. We were supposed to leave at 5:30. Yeah, that's wild, yo. Like, where the hell they was at? Why are you double fisting?
Cállate vos.
You ready for the show?
Yeah, I'm ready for some comedy.
He look like he's gonna be funny.
I look like I'm funny too.
This chocolate is the reason I want to be.
You made it to the club, girl. How you feel?
Went to the CLUB.
Time to go to bed. We got an early morning. We're going to Cologne. Ba-ba-ba.
Vamos a llegar a Colón, Panamá.